the Vantrue N4, which won a silver medal and the title of runner-up best dashcam available on the market in 2023. This model has a 1440p camera for optional vehicle recording and two 1080p cameras for viewing inside the cabin and behind the car. The N4 has a built-in advanced chip and a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, which is sufficient to provide simultaneous recording with resolutions up to 1440p and 1080p in all three directions. The front camera supports up to 2592 by 1520p, and dual recording supports up to 1440 plus 1080p. With the help of VDR technology, a crystal clear field of vision is enabled, and there's also a parking mode. Here, the three cameras automatically record when the front or rear camera detects motion. If the memory card is full, the N4 automatically overwrites old videos and supports a max of 256 gigabytes. However, the SD card speed must be U3 or higher. This generally applies to most memory cards. Routing the cables for the rear view camera was surprisingly very quick. The cable goes over the side airbag in the trim and is long enough and easy to hide anyway. The position of the front dash cam can also be quickly determined, and the camera is bomb-proof with a hardware kit. Everything you need is included in the package. To be able to edit all three camera shots, you need to download Vantrue Player. The Vantrue N4 camera is easy to install and intuitive to use. However, if the camera is placed as close as possible to the interior mirror, the operation becomes a tad trickier since the buttons are no longer visible. All three cameras provide good video quality during the day and usable quality at night. All parts and accessories are of good quality. And finally, everything is professionally packaged, and the supplied manual leaves no questions unanswered. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it.